Have you ever wondered how to make money online without the hassles of physical products? Imagine this. You invest $5,000 in gadgets to resell, spend thousands on inventory storage, and another $5,000 on marketing. Days go by with no sales, and then finally, you get an order. But disaster strikes, the laptop gets damaged in transit, the customer demands a refund, and you're left with broken stock and mounting expenses. Now picture a different scenario. No physical products, no inventory, no warehouse. Just a simple digital document created in 20 minutes, uploaded to a free website, and generating passive income month after month. This isn't a dream, it's a reality, with potential earnings like $5,000 in a day or even $181,000 monthly recurring revenue. The key to success with digital products is identifying the problem you solve, knowing your target audience, and offering something better than the competition. Digital products can range from PDF documents, courses, and community memberships to ebooks, stock photos, videos, audio files, templates, and more. Step 1 is to identify the problem you solve. Start by writing down potential ideas. Maybe you'll create a guide on tourist traps in your city, helping people avoid wasting time and money. Or perhaps you'll offer a course on photography, help people heal through therapeutic practices, or provide healthy eating plans. Step 2 is to determine your target audience. Who are they? What's their biggest fear? How old are they? Where do they live and spend their time? To create a detailed profile of your target audience, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT. Simply visit chat.openai.com, a free AI bot accessible with an internet connection, and input a prompt to generate a comprehensive avatar for your niche. Lastly, differentiate your product by making it more detailed, easier to understand, or packed with extra bonuses. Let's dive into creating digital products. For example, if you want to create a PDF guide to sell, start by using free websites like Canva, which offers numerous templates. Simply go to the search bar, type PDF guide, and browse the templates available. Click on one to open it, and then click Customize this template to start personalizing it. You can change the font to something you prefer. Feel free to explore other options until you find one that fits your style. Your PDF guide can be about any topic. To get ideas, you can use ChatGPT to generate a list of potential digital products. Think about your target audience and what problems you want to solve for them. For example, you might create a guide on the top 10 tourist traps to avoid in Bali. This guide could save travelers hundreds of dollars, making it a valuable resource worth purchasing. Use Canva to add relevant photos and elements to make your guide visually appealing. Drag and drop images, add tropical elements, and make sure each page is well organized. When adding content to your guide, start with a headline for each section. For instance, tourist trap number 1 to avoid. If you need help with content ideas, ask ChatGPT for suggestions, but don't rely on it to create the entire guide. You want your content to be unique and authentic, so do some research on platforms like Reddit to gather valuable information. Customize the text and design each page thoughtfully, ensuring it provides clear and useful information to your readers. As you build your guide, remember that the goal is to offer something of value that stands out from the competition. Make your guide detailed, easy to understand, and include bonuses if possible. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to purchase and recommend your product. Once your guide is ready, the next step is to decide where to sell it. While platforms like Gumroad are popular, they take a 10% cut of each sale, which can add up if you're making significant sales. Instead, consider building your own website using a service like Hostinger. Creating a website with Hostinger is straightforward and can be done in minutes using their AI features. Opt for the business website builder, and you can even get a free domain. To start, go to the Hostinger website section and choose to create a new website. Use AI to help build your site quickly, selecting options that describe your business accurately. For example, you could describe your store as one that helps travelers avoid tourist traps and discover hidden gems. The AI will generate a professional-looking website with relevant images, and you can start adding products right away. In the Store Manager section of your new site, click Add a Product and choose to sell digital products. Enter the title and description of your PDF guide. You can use an AI writer to generate a polished description quickly. For instance, describe your product as a guide showing the top 10 tourist traps to avoid, helping travelers save money and enjoy better experiences. Upload the PDF file you created in Canva, ensuring it's saved as a PDF standard format. Additionally, create a custom cover image for your PDF guide in Canva. Download this cover as a PNG file, making sure only the cover page is selected. Upload this image as your product's cover on Hostinger. Set your price, usually $19, but maybe offer it for $9 as a special discount. Once saved, your product is now live on your website. Finally, go back to your website, edit the site, and place your product prominently so visitors can easily find it. This approach ensures you keep most of your earnings while maintaining full control over your digital products. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently start selling digital products online, paving the way to earn your first $10,000. Let's take a look at our website. Once it's fully loaded, you'll see the first product live and ready for purchase. Customers can easily browse, add items to their cart, and check out seamlessly. This user-friendly setup makes it simple for people to buy multiple guides or products in one go. To start accepting payments, head back to your store manager and set up your payment options. You can connect PayPal and Stripe or even allow manual payments. PayPal and Stripe are the easiest and quickest options to get started with. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, visit paypal.com and register a business account. Now, let's talk about promoting your website and digital products. One effective strategy is starting a Twitter account dedicated to your niche. Post daily useful threads that attract your target audience. For instance, you can share travel tips if you're selling travel guides. You can leverage tools like ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Search for a Twitter content writer in the ChatGPT store, start a chat, and generate engaging content. For example, you can create a thread titled 7 Jaw-Dropping Bali Spots You've Never Heard Of to attract potential customers interested in your travel guides. As you create your Twitter thread, remember to make it visually appealing by adding images. Use copyright-free sites like Pexels to find relevant images that will grab attention. Download your chosen images and attach them to your tweets to enhance engagement. Additionally, you can repurpose your Twitter content on Threads for extra traffic. Simply sign up for Threads and post the same content to reach a broader audience with minimal effort. This strategy ensures you maximize visibility and drive more traffic to your digital products. In summary, building and promoting your digital product business involves creating valuable content, setting up a user-friendly website, and using social media effectively. By following these steps, you can start earning your first $10,000 selling digital products. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into advanced techniques and tips in the next part of this tutorial. And that's how you can start earning your first $10,000 selling digital products. We've walked through creating your product, setting up your website, and even some initial promotion strategies. Now, what kind of digital product are you excited to create? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future videos packed with tips and tricks for building a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.